Day 2 of data collection. I am alone. Currently OTW papuntang barangay ng Paan para mag-data collection din doon. So, tapos na ako sa Marikina Police. Again, I'm doing this alone. And sobrang nakakahiya. Pero okay lang.
While my eyes is wandering in this new place, who would have thought that there will be this verse? God cares for what my heart cares, and He wants it shifted.
Sobrang lakas ng ulan. So, yun na. From ng barangay ng Paan. Santa Niña. Pero hindi ko tinatagumit ang Santa Niña. I'm about to go home. It's raining. I guess the point is, am I really doing this for myself alone? There's like a pride and ego and just feel like, oh, am I avoiding my responsibility? Or ini-spoil ko ba sila? Do I spoil them? What am I building? Am I building a relationship? Or just make them feel that they have this responsibility and they have to do it? I always prioritize their mental health. I always prioritize them, but sometimes it will just burn you out. It's valid. But the point is, what are you feeding your heart? Then what are you feeding your heart? Is it hatred? Because if it's hatred, then you're destroying the relationship that you created with your members. That's not what God wants. And I was reminded earlier, why am I doing what I am doing? God is so good in my life to remind me how much He loves me. I have to do it all for Him. Not for my gain. Not for my gain. Never ever for my gain, but for Jesus.